are here in the Visitor Education Center, and we will soon be opening Nature Connects, an exhibit of 27 sculptures built from nearly 500,000 Lego bricks. They were made by New York artist and certified Lego professional Sean Kenny, and each of them represents a connection back to nature. We have everything from a huge hummingbird to a tiger swallowtail butterfly to koi in the island garden leaping next to lily pads. The exhibit will open to the public on June 1st. We are having a ticketed preview party on May 31st, and the exhibit will stay on display through September 29th. We have a lot of tie-in activities throughout the summer, so if you're a Lego lover, there's going to be lots of opportunities. We'll have a Lego building challenge on June 29th. Have a Father's Day performance with Dino Odell on June 16th, and a lot of other fun activities.